Hello friends, I, Janvi Shah, welcomes you to Storytime for Children. This time, Sophia's cycle is stolen. So let's unfold the mystery of the stolen cycle with the Fantastic Five. Mother, my cycle is not here, exclaimed Sophia, 6 years old. What happened, Sophia? Her mother and elder brother Lucifer, 8 years old, came to the garden. I'm not able to find my cycle, Sophia said. It must be there. Where can it go? Her mother replied. They looked all around their garden and the street. How can it just disappear? Lucifer said. It must be stolen. Sophia was very sad. They told their friend Susie, 7 years old, and the twin Tinker. We are sure it's stolen, they told them. They decided to solve the case of the stolen cycle. Sophia said, but the question is, who stole it? First, the four and the playful little dog Sniffer went to the watchman. Wait, let's make a plan. Sophia and I will talk to the watchman while Lucifer and Susie carefully see the in-out register, Tinker said. Sophia and Tinker started talking with the watchman while Lucifer and Susie checked the register. They nodded to Sophia and Tinker. Susie said, Oh, I completely forgot. I have my drawing classes now. Bye. Saying this, they went away. No other unknown person's name who came in the night or early morning was mentioned in the in-out register except the newspaper man, Lucifer said. Do you think it's the newspaper man? Susie was confused. He already has a cycle on which he comes and goes. Why would he want a kid's cycle anyway? I think we should rule him out, Lucifer replied. Do you think any of the neighbors have stolen Sophia's cycle? There are many kids in the neighborhood, but only 4 of them are of Sophia's age and ride a cycle. But they all have their own cycles, and I am sure they wouldn't steal, so we can count them out, Susie said. Why don't we check the CCTV footage? Tinker said. They requested the secretary. She allowed them to see. At what time was your cycle stolen? The secretary asked. It may be any time from midnight to early morning, Sophia replied. On checking the footage, at around 2:30 a.m., they found a masked person coming and taking the cycle away. The watchman wasn't to be seen. They thanked the secretary and went to the watchman. I may have gone to the washroom at that time, the watchman replied. They came to the conclusion that they couldn't identify the masked man as the footage wasn't clear. 1 minute. Why didn't Sniffer bark when the thief came? I mean, he always barks at strangers. It must be someone whom he knows, Sophia said. Do you think watchman is the thief? Lucifer asked. I think we should check, Sophia replied. They went where the watchman lived. On seeing the cycle which the watchman's son was riding, Sophia exclaimed, Look, that's just like my cycle. She said, But it's blue and yours was pink. Lucifer said, But the build is same. Let's check. They went to the watchman's son on the pretext of playing with him. Sophia observed the cycle carefully while the others talked and laughed with him. She whispered, The whole cycle is blue, but the logo is pink. Sophia said, Your cycle is nice, and felt the cycle. It felt like it was newly painted. The doubts were clear now. They had found the thief. They told their parents, who confronted the watchman. At first, he got angry and refused. But when they wanted to call the police, he got afraid and said, I stole the cycle for my son. He wanted the cycle desperately, but we couldn't afford it. So I stole Sophia's cycle and got it painted. I am extremely sorry. I will never do it again. Please don't call the police, he said. They forgave him, and in the end, all were happy. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.